Losing weight and practicing a healthy diet is already difficult. Having to worry about cooking and preparing meals makes it worse. Luckily, one of the ways to make it easier is by meal planning. In this article, we will go over some of the best meal plans for losing weight, which meal delivery service is best, and how else you can lose weight. What is the best meal plan for losing weight? As we mentioned earlier, the best way to lose weight is by practicing a healthy, well balanced diet. Just as it's important to not overextend yourself when starting an exercise regimen, it's important to not overextend yourself when starting a diet. This is why many crash diets happen. The best diets are ones that are healthy, easy to follow, and more importantly, tasting. Here are some of the best meal plans for losing weight. Intermittent fasting. This diet plan involves cycling between periods of fasting and eating. This is one of the best ways to lose weight and may not be as hard as you think. Passing on breakfast is one way to practice intermittent fasting. Plant-based diets. Vegetarianism and veganism restrict animal products for health, ethical, and environmental reasons. However, more flexible plant-based diets also exist, such as the flexitarian diet, which is a plant-based diet that allows eating animal products in moderation. Low-carb diets. The most practiced low-carb diet is the keto diet. This diet involves cutting out high-carb foods in order to induce ketosis in your body. Many experts consider this diet effective, although it should only be practiced in moderation. Low-fat diets. Like low-carb diets, low-fat diets have been popular for decades. In general, a low-fat diet involves restricting your fat intake to 30% of your daily calories. Some very and ultra-low-fat diets aim to limit fat consumption to under 10% of calories. Just like with weight loss pills, you should consult with your doctor to ensure it's healthy to practice the diet you're interested in. Which meal delivery service is best for weight loss? Modern technology has led to services that make our lives easier. An example of one of these services is meal delivery. There are several different services that will deliver healthy meals directly to your door. Some of these services serve either ingredients for recipes or pre-made meals. Here are some of the best delivery services for weight loss. Purple Carrot. Purple Carrot is a plant-based meal delivery service that offers healthy vegan meals to promote weight loss and overall health. Trifecta Nutrition. Trifecta Nutrition is a meal delivery service that makes it easier than ever to follow the ketogenic diet. The ketogenic diet is a high-fat, low-carb diet shown to boost fat burning and increase weight loss. Bistro MD. Bistro MD is a doctor-designed meal delivery service geared toward weight loss. It allows you to customize your weekly meal plan by selecting from 150 meals, each of which can be prepared in 5 minutes or less. Factor 75. Factor 75 is a meal subscription service that delivers healthy, fully prepared meals straight to your door. Each week, you can select from a new menu that includes options for those following a gluten-free, ketogenic, or paleo diet. It should be noted, some of these services can be pricey. You may want to weigh the pros and cons of using a meal delivery service. Can you lose weight by meal prepping? Meal prepping can be incredibly rewarding, and it can help you lose weight in a major way. First and foremost, it can help you control any temptations you may have to eat out or order food. If you get home from a long day of work and don't feel like cooking, you won't have to worry about it since you already have a prepared meal ready. You can also control what you eat. You control the ingredients you use, the type of food you use, and how you prepare it. It's also proven to help people who meal prep for breakfast. Eating a healthy, hearty breakfast can give you the energy you need to start your day, and it can help you stave off morning hunger. What should a vegetarian eat to lose weight? Vegetarianism and veganism are some of the most popular diets practiced by people who are trying to lose weight. However, that's not to say everything you eat that's plant-based is good for you. For example, too many carbs can lead to weight gain. Here are some of the foods that aid in weight loss. Non-starchy vegetables: broccoli, bell pepper, cauliflower, mushrooms, tomatoes, and carrots. Starchy vegetables: peas, potatoes, and corn. Fruits: berries, oranges, apples, bananas, grapes, and mangoes. Whole grains: quinoa, brown rice, millet, and bulgur wheat. beans and legumes, lentils, black beans and pinto beans, nuts and seeds, almonds, walnuts, cashews, and sunflower seeds, healthy fats, avocado, olive oil, coconut, nuts, and cheese, lean proteins, beans, legumes, nuts, seeds, eggs, Greek yogurt, and tofu. Again, what you don't eat is almost as important as what you do eat. How to lose weight naturally. We've discussed how important food and exercise is when it comes to losing weight. However, there are other ways you can lose weight simply by changing lifestyle habits. You may be surprised at some of the things you can do to help increase fat burning. Here are some of the ways you can lose weight naturally. Drink more water. Drinking water before meals can lead to reduced calorie intake, especially for middle-aged and older people. Eat slowly. Your diet's important, but how fast you eat your food also matters. The slower you eat, the easier it is for your body to process food. You'll also feel less hungry if you eat slowly. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is incredibly important for weight loss, as well as to prevent future weight gain. Studies have shown that sleep-deprived people are up to 55% more likely to become obese compared to those who get enough sleep. Brush your teeth after meals. Experts believe that brushing your teeth or flossing after a meal can help prevent the urge to snack. Focus on mental health. The better your mental health, the higher the chance you'll follow a healthy diet and an exercise routine. Supplements may help. A healthy lifestyle extends beyond your diet and lifestyle. Pairing your healthy lifestyle with exercise and a regular supplement regimen can help enhance the positive effects of dieting and fasting. Compounds such as spermidine can help induce autophagy throughout your body, but can be difficult to consume by your diet alone.
Hey there, thanks for checking us out on YouTube. I'm Daniel from Longevity Labs. We want you to know that we put a lot of time and energy into bringing you the best available information on how to live a longer and a happier life. Follow us here on YouTube or your favorite social channel and stay up to date with what we're working on. Thank you again, and it'll be worth your time.